Sydney just hit its lowest home ownership rate in nearly 70 years. We've gone back to the 1950s. 7 out of 10 young Sydneysiders say housing affordability is their number one concern. Not jobs, not climate change, housing. And while they're trying to save, rent is eating them alive. The average rent in Sydney right now is $883 a week. Nearly $900 a week gone. Every week. No deposit, no home, no way in. I see this every single day. Young people who've done everything right, worked hard, saved hard, and still feel like the door is closed. But it's not impossible. It's just harder. And harder is exactly what I do. Government schemes, specialist lenders, structures, most people don't even know exist. Don't give up before you've had the conversation. I'm Ziad from Money. Contact me, link in bio.